this tutorial, I will show you guys how to make one of my best paper airplane, the Eurofighter Typhoon. So let's start now. To make the Typhoon, you need a printing paper. Okay, I'm using letter size. So if you have A4 paper, you should follow a link on my description and just print it out. Trim it to letter size. Okay. First step, I'll fold the paper in half like this. Next step, I start from this edge and forward to this edge. And then I repeat the same step for the other side. Next, I turn the paper over. I open the paper and turn it over like this. Now I can match this crease to this crease, and I can use the center crease here as my guideline to fold down. Make sure that you fold this line and you create this crease across the intersection of our creases here. Okay, then I turn the paper over like this. Now I can fold this crease to the center crease. Then I do the same step for the left side or the other side. Okay, now this is what I have. Just fold this part of the paper down. Now we just have like a house shape, right? Make sure that everything flat. Okay. Next step, I will start from the tip here and fold to this edge. The reason I fold out is to create a crease that we will use later. Okay, just fold this part out to create a crease here. That's we can use later for other fold. Okay. And then now I will estimate about 3/4 inch from this corner along this edge. And let's just fold straight up to the point. Okay, yes, I can show you how to fold it. 3/4 inch or 1/2 inch. The reason why I fold this part of the paper is to create a strong wings that you can use later. And now I can fold this layer back to this size, right? And then I just fold the paper in half like this. Okay, so this is what we have so far, right? Then I can turn the paper over like this, just fold this layer back here. Then now when I fold this part, you can see the edge here. I will use this as a reference to fold the other side of the paper. Just fold slowly. Alright, now I can fold this layer back here. Okay, then turn the paper over. So this is what we have so far. Now I will start from this corner. I'll use the center crease here as my reference line to fold this up to the corner. Okay. And then I repeat the same step for the other side. Right? Just for just straight up there. Okay. Now fold this triangle shape to a side. Here we go. Next step, start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. Right. Okay. Then repeat the same step for the other side, right? Just fold this triangle shape back here, fold this triangle shape to this size, okay? And start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. Right. And just fold this triangle shape back over here. Let's just fold this triangle shape back to the other side as well. Okay, now we're creating the wing. Okay, remember that we did fold out to create a crease, and now you can see the crease here. Okay, this is very subtle, but we can still use this as a reference. Okay, now just fold this one down. I'll start from the crease here. I'll fold straight down to this corner. Fold this triangle shape to the other side, fold this to the other side, okay, and then you can fold the paper in half like this again, and now you can use this edge as a reference to fold this layer out. So perfect. Now I will fold the paper like this, okay, then turn the paper over, pull it down, and just fold this triangle shape to the right side, okay. And next I will start from this corner and fold straight out to this corner, okay. Turn the paper this way so it will be easier to fold straight out here, okay. Then repeat the same step for the other side. This is perfect, right? Okay, then let's just fold this whole triangle shape to a side. Turn the paper this way again, so it will be easier to fold. Then I will just fold this edge straight to the center crease. Okay. Make sure that this part of the paper will pop up. Okay, do not fold that. And just fold this one out. Okay, when you fold out, you can fold this part of the paper, okay, out to create a panel. Okay. Like this. See how I did this? Okay, make sure that it goes down a little bit. Like this. Okay. And then repeat the same step for the other side. The best way is to turn the paper over like this, and then just fold this layer or triangle shape to a side. Okay, then just fold it to the center crease. Okay, when you fold to the center crease, you can use the edge of the other side as your reference or guideline to fold. Okay, perfect. Now you have this part pop up. You can use the panel of the other side as your reference to fold this one out. You need to fix it a little bit to make sure that it's matched. Let's see a little bit off, so you need to fold this one a little bit more. Okay. To fold it a little bit more. Okay, so now it's really good. The panel are matched. Just fold it to the side. The problem now is that this one doesn't look like this one, so we have to fix it a little bit. So I have to fold this part up a little bit like this. Okay. See what I have here. Okay. So now we fixed the panel. This is really good now. We'll put the paper down and flatten everything. Okay. So you just finished the most difficult step. Now we just start from this crease. Remember the crease we created earlier, okay? And I will estimate about half an inch from this corner along this edge. So make a mark here, half an inch. Okay. Now I just fold it like this. See how I fold it. This is also a difficult step. Okay, just fold straight from this crease to the mark we just made. Okay, fold it like this. Alright, perfect. Now I will fold this part of the paper up. Okay, use my thumb to hold the other side of the paper. Fold it up like this. Okay, make sure that this edge will match with the other edge of the wings. Then you will be fine. Okay, just fold this out. Okay. And also, you need to fix the panel a little bit too. If the panel is not matched, you have to fold this one up a little bit to fit the panel. Let's see how I fold this. And then just fold this one down. This one pop up, push it down again. Okay, now this is what we have, right? I put the paper down. Now I will start from the edge here, the edge over here, and we'll fold to this edge. Okay, just fold slowly. Alright, you need to fold it a little bit more. Then I will repeat the same step for the other side, and then I will repeat the same step for the other side. We'll turn the paper over like this. Okay, the easiest way is to match this edge to this edge. Okay. Match this first, perfect. Then just fold this one out. Okay, now open the paper. This is what you should have for now. Okay. Next step is a difficult step. We need to create the stabilizers. So you can see this part of the paper, right? I just hold like this, then just fold this one up. See how I hold it? I can fold it up a little bit. Okay. I will fold straight up. Make sure that this size of the stabilizer will go straight down to this part of the head. Okay, so push it down, put it down, pull it up. Okay. Pull it up. This is also a very difficult step though. Okay. If you fold it correctly, it will fly very well. You see what I have here? That size of the triangle shape is very long. Okay, so this is really good for now. Okay. After you finish everything, make sure that the panels are going up a little bit and the wings are flat. Okay, and you need to fix this. Okay, so it's flat. Okay, and now you need to create the elevators that will help the plane fly up. See this part of the body part? I just fold it up like this. Let's just do the same thing for the other side. Okay, so this is perfect. Alright, so the typhoon is completed. You can check it out now. And if it flies very well for you, please give my video a thumb up, share it with your friend, and leave me a comment. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Alright, so this is the Eurofighter, and I will show you guys how to fly. Okay, make sure that you create the elevators and throw up at 10 to 30 degrees.